What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I have the new mobile G5, this new phone that just came out with the MediaTek processor with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, SD card support, huge display here, 720p display. Now, one of the biggest questions for this $160 phone, can it game? Well, you know, usually when you hear a phone that costs 160 bucks, you don't think that it can game. Well, let's put it to the test. So I downloaded some high-end games and some low-end games. In this video, I'm gonna play them for the first time and I'm gonna give you my thoughts about it. So right now, I have Call of Duty Mobile that's booted up here, and we're gonna go over it. I'm gonna give you my thoughts. It's no way that this $160 phone, as beautiful as it is, can play high-end games. Well, let's put it to the test. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's get into it. I got Call of Duty Mobile on this device, and I want to see if the graphics can hold up while I'm doing multiplayer here on this device. And I'm gonna tell you that this is a high intensive game, and I just have it regular playing here. So let's see what it's all about. And I actually done gaming reviews on devices that have high-end processors in it that didn't do so well. So let's see what this device can do. 160 bucks with this huge battery in here. I think you're gonna be fine as far as that. All right, here we go. Now, so far so good. The graphics has been pretty deep. The graphics looks good on here. Now, one of the things I want to express, take away the name, take away the specs, and take away the display tech, right? And just look at this plated device as it is, and let's see how good it is, right? So if you take away everything, and if you don't know the specs, and you didn't know the cost of the device, and you didn't know that it had a HD display on here, you wouldn't know that this phone costs 160 bucks, but it does. And so far, it's doing a good job. As you can see, it's doing a fairly decent job here. I'm not getting any drop frames. All right, not getting any drop frames, and everything looks really good here. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's change guns. Uh-oh, I don't want to get that. Let's get that back here. All right. So yes, look like you can play Call of Duty Mobile on this device. That's what I'm talking about here. And the touch responsiveness is really good. No issues there. So I have this myth that if you could play Call of Duty Mobile and it plays really good with good frames, I think you'd be fine playing any game. Right now, this is awesome, man. And if y'all watch my YouTube channel, y'all seen that a lot of phone does not fare well. Look at these guys. Come on. So y'all guys know that a lot of phones don't fare well, but these are the new class of MediaTek processors in them, and yeah, they're doing fairly well here. This is good. Let's see here. Let's go to the settings for a second. Let's see if I can get it to the settings. All right, so look like everything is, let's go to graphics, and right now the graphics are on low. I mean, that's what you expect for a device like this. The frame rates is on medium, it's not on low. So the graphics is set on low and the frame rates are low. It's all good. It's all good here. Let's do this. Let's play. All right, here we go. And this is Sonic Dash. No drop frames. Here we go. Boom. Uh-oh, got hit. Look decent. Graphics looks okay. Touchscreen responsiveness is really good right here. The graphics look really good here. The device is keeping up so far. Nice. All right. So Sonic Dash looked like it's playing very well. No drop frames. All right, looks good. Looks good. As soon as you hear the word MediaTek processor, a lot of people cringed up. But MediaTek have came out with their newer processors, and these are not the processors of years ago, which anytime you had a MediaTek processor in there, everybody cringed because you knew that the old MediaTek processors were slow and sluggish, that they wasn't that great. But these are the newer MediaTek processors that, I mean, look like they're doing a fairly decent job. 4 gigs of RAM with a MediaTek processor, not bad at all. And this is another one here that really does tax the GPU and the CPU. And yeah, so the frame rates of this game looks like it's a little choppy. All right, just a little choppy, but it's playable. All right, so you can tell that this is again another high intensive game. And as you can tell that it's a little choppy. All right, just go be honest with you. Now it's not hindering the game experience at all. And this is the Angry Birds Transformers game, and I like this game. This game is really dope. I really like this game, but yes, it is definitely dropping frames because you got so much going on in the background. But yeah, but the display is absolutely gorgeous on here. So yeah, just to be honest with you, and you might can go and let's see if we can. I don't see any settings here, so look like it is what it is, right? So it's the settings is what you're gonna get, and so there it is. Not bad. Not bad at all. And this is one of the reasons why I play these games, so y'all guys can see that. So it's playable, right? I mean, it's playable. All right, so let's get out of here. All right, so let me give you my thoughts about this. All right, Call of Duty at low settings, you can play it. Sonic Dash with a lot of intensive graphics, you could play it. Angry Birds look like it stuttered a little bit. A lot of stuff playing in the background. So again, it's another high-end game, but it's playable. So at the end of the day, can you play games on this $160 NUU Mobile G5? Yes, but you do have to have a little patience because again, not all games go have the smooth gameplay. Look like the first 2 games played fine. The last game did had some issues, but look, it's not hot at all. So the device is nice and cool to the touch. And then as far as battery life, you're not gonna have any issues with that because it's got this huge battery in it, 5,000 milliamp battery. So you can play games all day long. So that's not an issue. Overall, I give it a pass, and the reason why is because of the price point. I mean, we got phones that cost $1,500 right now, or $2,000, over the $1,000 price point. Also, we got devices that I've done gaming reviews for in the past that have medium to high-end processors that couldn't even play Call of Duty. So at the end of the day, I think since it played Call of Duty at low graphics and medium frame rates, that's a win for me. So yes, this device here does a pretty good job. So I'm giving you continuous coverage on the NUU Mobile G5, the new device for 2020. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful phone. Look, you couldn't even achieve this years ago. If a phone that costs $100, it wouldn't even look this good. Definitely wouldn't play high in games, but here we are, 2020. They'll beat the odds. This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the NUU Mobile G5 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.